Have you ever seen a phone that looks different from everything else, but still costs like a normal phone? This is the Nothing Phone 4a, and honestly, it might be one of the most interesting phones of 2026. But here's the real question. Is it just a cool design, or is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. The Nothing Phone 4a looks different. You get a transparent back, so you can see inside the phone. And instead of normal lights, it has something called a Glyph Bar. This is not just for style. It shows notifications. It shows charging. It even reacts when your phone rings. So when your phone lights up, you already know what's happening without touching it. And let's be honest, in a world where every phone looks the same, this one actually has personality. Now, the display. You get a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. It's smooth, bright, and very clear. Scrolling feels fast. Watching videos looks beautiful. And even under sunlight, you can still see everything clearly. For a phone in this price, this is actually impressive. Next, performance. The Nothing Phone 4a comes with a Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor. Now, let's keep it simple. For daily use, it is fast. For apps, it works smoothly. For gaming, it is good, but not the best. So if you are a heavy gamer, this is not a gaming monster. But for most people, it is more than enough. Now, the cameras. You get a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera. Photos are good. Details are clear. Colors look natural. But here's the truth. This is not the best camera in the world. It is good, not amazing. If camera is your top priority, you might want something else. But for normal users, it does the job well. Battery and charging. The phone has a big 5,400 mAh battery. That means it easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Charging is fast with 50W, but there is no wireless charging. So yes, one small compromise. Now, the software. This is where nothing really wins. You get a clean Android experience. No extra apps. No unnecessary things. Everything feels simple, fast, and smooth. This is the kind of phone that just works without annoying you. Now let me tell you something personal. If you are like me, you don't just want a phone for specs. You want something that feels different. Something that you enjoy using every day. Because at the end of the day, we use our phones for hours. And using something boring every single day gets tiring. This phone is not boring. So, should you buy the Nothing Phone 4a? If you want a unique design, a clean software experience, and a solid all-around phone, then yes, this is a great choice. But if you want the best camera, or the most powerful performance, then this might not be for you. And now, I want to hear from you. Would you choose a phone for its design, or only for performance? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, because we are getting very close to something big. See you in the next one.